everybody, this is my video for Molecule Hero of the Year, Ethyl Butyrate. Let me introduce you to ethyl butyrate, also known as ethyl butanate. It has a chemical formula of C6H12O2 and a molecular weight of 116.16 grams per mole. Structurally, it's an ester formed through condensation of ethanol and butyric acid. Its functional group is key, a carbon atom double bonded to one oxygen and single bonded to another oxygen that's attached to an ethyl group. This specific arrangement is what gives ethyl butyrate its fruity, pineapple-like scent. And in terms of purity, it's an alkyl molecule, meaning it has no mirror image twin or enantiomer. It's structurally simple, but its impact is anything but. Ethyl butyrate is a clear, colorless liquid known for its strong, fruity odor, especially that of a pineapple. It has a low melting point of minus 93 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of around 120 to 121 degrees Celsius, making it quite volatile. It's only slightly soluble in water, but dissolves much better in organic solvents like alcohols and esters, with a vapor pressure of 11.3 millimeters of mercury at 20 degrees. It evaporates very easily, perfect for flavors and fragrance applications. It's stable under normal conditions, but flammable with a flash point of 25 degrees Celsius. Its density is just under 0.88 grams per cubic centimeter, and it's considered safe for use in foods carrying GRAS status from the FDA. All of this makes ethyl butyrate both useful and safe in everyday products. Ethyl butyrate is found naturally in fruits like apples, bananas, pineapples, and strawberries, contributing to their distinct fruity aromas. In nature, it's produced by plants and microbes through biosynthetic pathways, where ethanol and butyric acid combine in a process called esterification. Industrially, ethyl butyrate is made through acid catalyst esterification, using ethanol and butyric acid, often with sulfuric acid acting as the catalyst. To tell the difference between the natural and synthetic versions, scientists use stable isotope ratio analysis, or SIRA, which identifies subtle chemical signatures based on how the molecule was made. While the exact date of its first synthesis isn't clearly recorded, esters like this have been studied since the 1800s, as scientists explored the chemistry behind natural aromas. The story of ethyl butyrate mirrors the growth of organic chemistry, from early glassware experiments to today's high-tech flavor labs. Today, it's widely available through chemical suppliers and produced in large quantities for the food, fragrance, and manufacturing industries. Its history reflects not just chemistry, but the human desire to understand and recreate the essence of nature with science. Ethyl butyrate shines in a variety of everyday products. As a flavoring agent, it's a go-to for fruity notes in beverages, candies, and baked goods. Think pineapple-flavored sodas or tropical ice creams. In the fragrance industry, it's valued for its sweet aroma and used in perfumes and air fresheners to create a light, uplifting scent. Beyond flavors and fragrances, it's worked as a solvent in the manufacturing of resins and plastics, proving it's useful in industrial settings too. It also plays a role in pharmaceuticals, where it's added to medication to improve their taste and smell. While ethyl butyrate is generally safe in small amounts, it can pose health risk if inhaled or ingested in large quantities, causing dizziness, nausea, or irritation to the eyes and respiratory systems. Environmentally, it's considered biodegradable and has a low risk of bioaccumulation, but accidental spills can be harmful to wildlife, especially aquatic species. To handle it safely, it should be stored in a cool, well-ventilated space, away from ignition sources. It's also important to wear personal protective equipment like gloves and goggles when working with it. With the right precautions, ethyl butyrate remains a safe and eco-conscious compound for widespread use. When we talk about molecules that make everyday life better, ethyl butyrate stands out. It brings vibrant flavors for food and drinks, and its uplifting scent is part of what makes personal care products and perfumes so enjoyable. But its value goes beyond your sensory appeal. It's a versatile compound, used in manufacturing, made affordably and efficiently, and easy to scale for global use. It also supports sustainable practices. Ethyl butyrate breaks down naturally and poses minimal risk to our health or environment. For those reasons, practical, economic, environmental, and emotional, it's not just useful, it's heroic. Ethyl butyrate deserves the spotlight as this year's molecular hero. And this is my citation page. Images are by me, and the rest of the citations are as listed. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to vote ethyl butyrate Molecule of the Year.